Ah, tara. Sige. So, we're going upstairs. Walking. Muna. Okay, need ba ano? So, we're going upstairs. Nakadyo na itakas. Sky, oh, look at that. Sky balcony. Char.
Oh, sarap.
Nakita mo kung ticket?
Ha?
Nasa imo ha?
Wala. Pwede mo
Sig nahulog. Nasa imong kuan.
naman.
Bagi check man to ganina. Naa.
Excited.
Excited, excited.
Wow!
Okay, wow! Wow, super guys. Ay! Ah! Wow, ang sarap guys. Di makaya sa bangs, mapalid.
Pag stress na stress
Wow.
ka.
O si madam.
Be here.
Be here, madam. Uy, nasila pauling guys. O, diba sosyal? So, namin sa pinaka-top guys. Akalain mo yun. Diba? Malamig lang siya, but it's so nice. Diba? I love it. I love it. So, look at there. So, ano siya guys, parang ay, may pa-hardship sila, oh.
Baka may tumalo.
Ay, may pa-hardship sila, Lee. Ano?
Ay, lack.
Yung
Yes.
parang sa ano? Lack of love. Lack of love. Lover Sanctuary, guys. Look at that. Lover Sanctuary.
Kay Yuri o kay Ka?
Ay, wow. Nagoya TV Tower. May pa-heart sila, guys. I love, love. Hello. Ikaw lang isa. No. Tapos malay yung... If you're sad, you go here and palamig ka. Kung mainit ang ulo mo, go here and relax. So look at that. So they're picturing, guys. Oh, slow lamig. Hindi ako lang jump pa. Okay. Look at that. Hi guys, lamig ba? Lamig, no? Super. Okay lang yung lamig. Lake. Yes. Diba? Look at that. Makakawala ng stress here. Or ano siya. Basta ma-enjoy ka here. The view. So, sa Sky Tower siya guys. Sa pinakatuktok kami ng tower. So, look at the above. Yan. Ganyan ang above niya. So, kung gusto mo umakyat, okay din. Akyat ka.
First time ko dito.
Me too.
Ang ganda.
Yes, super. Did you love the view? Super. Diba? So,